Hi, I'm Nancy Murphy from Yellow Dot Artist. I have a little cold today, so sound funny. But I got an email today, and it was for AI, an image generator. I thought, you know what, I have an idea for a painting I want to do, but let me see if this can help kind of formulate that idea. So it's a pretty hilarious experience. I don't think I'll use it again. And as of this video, I haven't finished my painting that I'm thinking about, but once it's done, I will put the link in the bottom in the description. So stay tuned. All right, so I'm going to jump right in and give it a shot. I'm adding prompts. I have an idea of what I want to paint. I want to do some women on the beach in bikinis. I want to do my best friend and myself and make us really fat. So here's some of the images. So they gave me the bikinis. I kind of like that one. Make a painting of two fat women playing in the water at the beach on a sunny day with other people under umbrellas. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. It takes a second or two. That I about died. Oh my gosh, how is that a painting? Remember, I'm just looking for inspiration to help me get the painting idea and the scene. So I decided to add a little more detail. And I actually wrote, oh my gosh, no, make an acrylic painting of fat women playing on the beach. As you see, their faces are really kind of weird. I don't think AI makes good faces. So getting more specific, wearing bathing suits. And then I don't want the people facing me because I'm not very good with faces, just like AI isn't very good with them. Let's try again. See what we get. Do not show their faces. I like that. That's really cute. It's fun. Still nudity, but I need to change that. I'd love to know if you tried AI to help you develop ideas for things to paint. And if so, post it in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for future videos.